How to reset GTA 5 online career. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can reset your GTA 5 online career for a fresh start. Whether you're tired of your current progress or just want to begin a new journey, this step-by-step process will walk you through. So let's dive right in. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is decide what you want to reset. If you want to erase everything, you have to go for the character deletion. And if you want to experiment with a fresh character but keep the main one, you have to create a second character. Now, for that, you first need to back up your important details, and before making any changes, you can screenshot your properties, your vehicles, and your important stats. You can also save your outfits for anything sentimental to you or might want to remember. And to delete a or create a character in-game, you first have to head over to your settings by pressing the escape button, and your menu will pop up. And once you do that, you just want to head over to the online section on the online tab right here. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you get to online tab, you will have to click on the swap characters. And once you click on swap characters, then you'll have an option to create a new character. Now, if you want to create a second character and want to start from scratch, you just have to transfer all of the balance you have on the previous character and withdraw it from your bank and save it on the first character's pocket. And after doing that, your second character won't have anything to use from, so you will have a fresh start. So that's pretty much on how you can easily reset your GTA 5 online career. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more GTA tips. I'll see you guys on the next one.